Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Renard Albayan. Today I want to tell you about the storytelling about the Prophet Muhammad, that is the hijrah of Prophet Muhammad to Medina. In here, I will tell about what is hijrah, and then why did Allah tell the Prophet Muhammad to hijrah, and then strategy at the night, hiding at Gua Sur or Cave Sur, stay at Kuba, and the last is the result of hijrah. Okay, but before we go to the main topic, you may ask what is the hijrah. So hijrah is hijrah mean is living or moving place, or in the Islamic meaning is the movement of the Prophet Muhammad SAW and his companion to the Medina, from Mecca to Medina for preach. Okay, in here, why Prophet Muhammad SAW hijrah go to the Medina? Because when the Abu Talib died, and also his wife Khadijah died, the pressure from the Quraysh increased, because that two people is meaning for Prophet. He helping Prophet Muhammad to preach. They helping to defending and protecting Prophet Muhammad. But after they dead and pass away, the Quraysh make pressure to Prophet Muhammad more aggressive. Nah, because that Allah told to Prophet Muhammad to hijrah to Medina or go to the safe place. Nah, but before go to the Medina, or the night before hijrah, Prophet Muhammad make other strategy first nih. So Prophet Muhammad tell to Ali to sleep on his bed, and then cover it with his blanket. So later Prophet Muhammad already know nih the Quraysh will kill Prophet Muhammad when the night, or when Prophet sleep. So for become camouflaging, Prophet Muhammad Ali to sleep on his bed, and yeah, the the Prophet Muhammad thing is true, because later before the night day, the Quraysh go to the Prophet Muhammad home, slowly enter, and then open the blanket and almost want to kill, but he shocked. That's not the Prophet Muhammad, that is the Ali, and he asked to Ali, what is Muhammad, with breath and talk, and no scared. Ali say, I don't know, and then Quraysh go away from the Prophet Muhammad house. But in that moment, Prophet Muhammad already leave the Mecca with take the road through the south. But Prophet Muhammad realize, and Abu Bakar also realize the Quraysh is catch him. So Prophet Muhammad and Abu Bakar directly go to the cave that he find. That's name is Guasur or Cave Sur, and then he hiding on there until 3 days, and then Quraysh go to the cave, and if the Quraysh crouching and seeing the cave, he will see the Prophet Muhammad body, but Allah save him. And yeah, Prophet Muhammad hiding in the cave for 3 days. And because in the mouth of the cave also there is the spider cobweb, and the spider cobweb is still perfect, and also there is the bird that's protecting the egg. So yeah, Quraysh thinking maybe Prophet Muhammad not will hiding in here, because the spider cobweb still perfect, and also if you know lah, if the bird protecting the egg, if you pass in front of him, he will angry, but this is not. So yeah, Quraysh passed from the cave store, and yeah, Prophet Muhammad and Abu Bakar just wait 3 days and then leave from the Ghusur. Stay at Kuba. After a long journey, he almost go to Medina, and he Prophet Muhammad stay at Kuba first. Kuba is the place that near from Medina. That's maybe only 5 kilometers from Medina the direction, but Prophet Muhammad chose to stay at Kuba first. He get warmly welcomed by the resident of the Kuba, and then yeah, Prophet Muhammad preach also on the Kuba resident, and also Prophet Muhammad make the first mosque, that is the Kuba mosque. So if you already go to Medina, yeah, maybe you ever go to Kuba mosque. And yeah, after the next day, Prophet Muhammad and Abu Bakar are ready in the Medina. And yeah, he get warmly welcomed by Medina residents too. And also this is the result of hijrah. There is the hijrah calendar begins. So after Prophet Muhammad hijrah to Medina, the hijrah calendar begins. So after that, change the name of the city from Yathrib to Medina. Before Prophet Muhammad hijrah to Medina, the Medina still, the name of Medina still Yathrib. But after Prophet Muhammad arrived on the Medina, the city name changed to Medina, and then Medina become the center of sovereign Islam government. Okay, maybe that's all from me. But before I closing, there is any question, Pak Yandi? Prophet Muhammad hijrah maybe on 622 century, but or before ini ya, before hijriah, because hijriah calendar begins at before at Arifat, when kalender hijriah when Medina Arifat, when Prophet Muhammad Arifat at Medina. There is again a question. Why Muhammad is hiding in Ghusur? Because Prophet Muhammad and Abu Bakar realized that Quraysh is Kashim, and he don't have any option except hiding at that Ghusur, and they hiding at Ghusur, but Allah save him with that spider and also the bird. Okay, maybe that's all from me. If I made any mistake from my storytelling, please forgive me. And last what I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.